Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is Blender 5.1. By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to create this type of the simple mesh and perform the simple rigging for any of your 3D mesh so that you can perform the animations and you can just let the mesh to bend together with the rigs, or what we call it as bones or armature. Right, let's go. So now this is the GUI. This is the Blender 5.1. The first step, I'm going to just press A and press delete to delete everything. Next, I'm going to just add a cylinder. So this cylinder, I'm going to just make it become a rod so that I can rig it. So next, I can just go to the edit mode. To make it a rod, I can just press S, make it smaller, and then I click the scale to just make it longer in this way. But how to rig it? First, you must make sure it have a few sections. So you can just have a few loop cuts. Just click the loop cut here and click one time, loop cut, and the slide you can just make a few loop cut in this way, and so that later it can bend easier. So next, you can just back to the object mode here. If you see the wireframe, actually it have a few loop cut. Next, we are going to perform the rigging. The most fundamental rigging is just add a armature, a single bone in this way. So next, you have to click the data viewport display, make sure it shows in front. And next, we are going to the edit mode. The head, we just move it to the top. The tail, we move it to the bottom in this way. And then next, we click the center parts, right click, subdivide to a few parts in this way. Now you can see there are so many rigs here. So next, I will just switch it back to the object mode. And at this moment, we are going to bind the mesh with the skeleton. Alright, the first step, you click the mesh and then hold the shift, then click the skeleton, press Ctrl P with automatic weights. Alright, now actually it already finished the rigging parts. So you can just click the skeleton, then go to the pose mode. Here, we are going to test to see will it bend. If I select one of the bone and I click rotate to rotate the bone, you can see the mesh already automatic bend together. It is really easy. Now you already can perform the animation just by manipulating the rigs. You can see it is really easy. I can bend it. Now it already done the rigging part and it is ready. Right, that's all for today about my tutorials for the rigging fundamental tutorial of the Blender 5.1, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!